guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today we are making a card for the Spring Summer Coffee Lovers blog hop. I'll have the link in the description box if you'd like to hop along. Each sponsor will have their own giveaway, so there's going to be lots of different giveaways and prizes. It'll be a fun hop with lots of coffee inspired cards, so I hope you check it out. Not Too Shabby will be sponsoring a $25 gift certificate, so you could head on over to the blog and see how you can win that. And I will be announcing the winner on the Coffee Lovers blog on I believe Sunday. I'll have all the information on my blog post. Today I'm using our I Pick You stamp set that features this really cute gnome. There's also a girl gnome with pigtails. She's really cute. But I'm using the one today with the big strawberry hat. And I'm also using our Have a Java Nice Day stamp set. And I'm going to use this fun iced coffee drink. And I'm going to have a little scene where it looks like the gnome is drinking an iced coffee. So I'm going to do a little masking. So I'm stamping out the image that I want in front first. I'm going to create a mask, and then I will stamp right over the mask, and then it'll look like the cup is in front of the gnome. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to use my Copic markers today. I'll play some music while I'm doing the coloring, and then I'll meet you back on the other side to share the finished card. I am pairing up this cute little scene with our brand new release, Sweet Strawberries. The 6x6 paper pad is just chock full of strawberry images I thought would be perfect with this cute little strawberry hat. So that's going to be my backdrop. I am using the sheet with all the strawberries as my color inspiration. So I'm just going to try and match up the strawberries as best as I can to make everything match. I'm using Mermaid Lagoon Distress ink to create my sky very quickly. So I take a large blending brush and I just swipe over the edges just to create the hue of a blue sky. Most of my coloring did get cut off. I think my battery died, but here are 2 strawberries that I'm coloring. So the combo here I used for my lightest was the R17, and then we used the R24, and I believe it was the R39. I've also used my hoo-hoo markers in this video. I used the greens to create the ground and for the stems on my strawberries. So I'm adding these 2 little strawberries to the corner. I'm going to pop those up for just a little added touch, and I will add some glossy glaze to the cup, and it makes it look really shiny, really pretty. So I really like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card, and if you did, give the video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you real soon in the next video. Don't forget to check out the Coffee Lovers blog hop. All the information is in the description box down below. Thanks so much, guys, and see you next time.